Hi, it's me, Lucas, again, and I hope you all had a happy holiday. I had a good Christmas. My grandma came over. I got lots of presents, and I'm going to show you guys one of the Star Wars sets I got. Resistance X-Wing Fighter. This thing is ages 8 to 14, has 720 pieces, and it comes with 4 minifigures: Poe Dameron, BB-8, Lor San Tekka, and the First Order Flame Trooper. So let's look at the back of the box. As you can see, you could download the Force Builder app, which we'll leave in the description below, and a bunch of other cool play features that we'll review later. But let's open this thing up and see what's inside. So let's see what we got in here. Bag 1, bag 2, bag 4, instructions. These are humongous. Let's see what else. Bag 3 and bag 5. Technically, this is everything that's inside the box. So let's get into it. Okay guys, I'm back. The Resistance X-Wing Fighter from LEGO Star Wars The Force Awakens is done. First up, we have the First Order Flame Trooper. Dang. It's sort of like a Stormtrooper, but instead of just shooting regular blasts, he shoots fire. This is Lor San Tekka. The main droid that the First Order is after is a BB unit, BB-8. This thing is adorable. I always wanted this minifigure. It's like these little symbols on each side. So let's get on to the next minifigure, Poe Dameron. And he has Finn's sweater. Actually, it's his sweater, but Finn finds it. Sorry, spoiler alert. But yeah, he has brown pants, and he has another face. And I like this new hair piece. It's nice. So let's put this aside. And we're gonna start off with the little thing. This is a tiny part of Jakku, which looks pretty cool, beans. And they're 2 little crates. In one, I used it to store all my extra ammo for the jet. And another has a shovel. And here's a cool play feature. Actually, the Flame Trooper is supposed to shoot it right here, and then there's a little thing right here, and watch this. Wait, no. Like this. Boom. Up in flames. Up in flames. I just like a little cool feature. It's not that complicated, just a little hole piece. And then you just put a thing there, and then you put a knob at the end, and then just boom. And then this thing falls off easily, so be careful with that. Now, time for the big boy. Dun, dun, dun! This thing is epic. At the front, there are just a bunch of pieces just to make up this one nozzle. And here's what it looks like from the bottom. There's like a bunch of cool parts. There's also some landing gear right here. You could go like this. You could pose the landing gear in any way you want, really. And then you could open up this cockpit that looks like it's from the latest movie set, Benny Spaceship. But anyway, if you look closely inside, you could actually see that you can actually see that it's a scene from Starkiller Base, a map for Starkiller Base, but that's far into the movie, and then up right here near the cockpit is a little space. That space is for our fugitive BB-8. He could just sit inside, and it looks a little cute in there. I like that. And behind him is a little knob. What's the knob for? That's what I like. You know, in the Star Wars movie, the X-Wings are like, pop! That's what this knob is for. On the back, there's some rubber bands and some boosters and some twin blasters and some blasters right here and right here. But now, watch this. Boom! Pizzeria! And yeah, those shoot. And this shoots as well. Yeah. Nice! Okay, so that's the end of it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Time to find these missiles.
Take two. Okay. Take two. Fire.
Stand by. Okay, stand up straight. Stand up straight. Okay.
Below, so let's open this thing up and see what's inside.
Okay. Okay, so put the plane back in front of you. Ready?
It's called an X-Wing, Mama.
Okay, baby.
Eso, todo está ahí.
Oh, okay, okay.
Como tú luces, tú luces, tiene esto. Dun, dun, dun. But now, watch this. Boom! Pizzeria!